Welcome to another Elastic community video. I'm Tomás Murúa, Elasticsearch consultant, and today we're going to talk about Synonyms API on Elasticsearch. So imagine this scenario. You're trying to find an article related to artificial intelligence. So you go to your search bar and type AI. And the first result that is presented to you is related to an Adobe Illustrator article. That is definitely not what you meant to search. Let's fix this step by step using Elasticsearch Synonyms. For this experiment, I have set up an index with 3 documents. One related to Adobe Illustrator, the other one related to artificial intelligence, and the last one related to business intelligence. This index is configured with 2 field approaches. One title without synonyms and one title with synonyms. This giving us more flexibility on the query side. By using this approach, we are trading performance for flexibility, because the synonyms are not being indexed, but rather generated with each query. So let's create our synonym set with AI and artificial intelligence. Now that we have configured our index with a synonym set, let's search for AI again. As we can see here, business intelligence is shown now as a result for our search for AI using synonyms. So why this happens? The synonym filter treats artificial intelligence as separated tokens, not a complete phrase. So the artificial and the intelligence token are being separated, and the intelligence token matches the business intelligence as a separated token. So how we can fix this? Now we're in our index, we have configured the standard synonym filter. This can handle phrases properly. And we need to change to a synonym graph designed for multi-word synonyms. So we start treating artificial intelligence as a single unit and not separate tokens. To do that, we need to close our index, change the configuration from synonyms to synonyms graph, and then open again the index. Now that we have changed our index configuration, let's search for AI again. As we can see, business intelligence is gone. So we fixed the phrase problem, but we still have our first result being Adobe Illustrator. So what happens if we search explicitly for artificial intelligence? We still have our first result being Adobe Illustrator and then artificial intelligence. So here why this happens. At the beginning, we set AI and artificial intelligence as our 2 equivalent synonyms. And we need to challenge the notions that synonyms are just 2 equivalent words. Because we are implying 2 things. 1, AI is the same as artificial intelligence, and 2, artificial intelligence is the same as AI. In this case, the second one is not correct, because Adobe Illustrator is not the same as artificial intelligence. And here, AI appears directly on the title of Adobe Illustrator. In this scenario, not all AIs means artificial intelligence. Let's corroborate this using the Analyze API on artificial intelligence and show that the AI token is being generated. So as we can see, we are generating the AI token, which is presented to in the Adobe Illustrator document, thus creating an unwanted match. To fix this, we have to update our synonym set using directional synonyms for one-way mapping. What this means? This means that AI is the same as artificial intelligence, but artificial intelligence is not the same as AI. Let's see the Analyze API to show the change. Now that we fixed the directionality, let's search for artificial intelligence again. Now we got back the business intelligence again, because both documents have the word intelligence. To fix this, we need to use the operator AND and not the operator OR that is set by default. Because now with this operator, the search will require artificial and intelligence in the document. Now, using this operator, let's search again for artificial intelligence. And finally, we have the final result with artificial intelligence article being our main result. As a conclusion, synonyms and relevance are relative to your specific search needs. Here, we achieved a more precise search experience for our use case. Small details like synonyms configuration make a huge impact on your search experience. Modern search requires modern tools like the Elasticsearch Synonyms API. Let's try yourself with the 14 days Elastic Cloud trial linked to the description, and try to experiment with your own synonyms and your own data. Thanks for watching.